I'm Laura Vitale. Today I want to show you something really fast and easy. I've gotten so many requests for this, it's unreal. It's a very popular trending thing. We're making whipped coffee, also known as Dalgona coffee. Everyone's doing it. It is just like, I think it went viral on TikTok. I'm too old to know what that, viral stuff is. But I've gotten a lot of requests for it. I don't know why, considering it's really easy, but I'm here to help. I'm always here to bring you what you want. And I haven't gotten this amount of requests for something since soft pretzels for circa 2011. If you've been with me long enough, then you remember that. It's actually really easy. This is the only thing that really matters in this recipe. You need equal parts hot water and instant coffee. Now, it has to be black instant coffee, not flavored, not with sugar, not with creamer in it. It has to be plain black instant coffee. This is just the Nescafe. I don't have the container. Instant black coffee. That's all you need. And then in terms of the sugar, you do you. A lot of people are saying it's equal parts sugar, water, and coffee. Some people think it's way too sweet. Some people don't think it's sweet enough. You can add more sugar. So I'm using all equal parts just to keep it really simple. And I'm adding this to a small-ish bowl. This is going to make 2 servings because I'm going to use my handheld electric whisk. You can do this by hand. I've done this by hand, and you can absolutely do it with a regular whisk, but it just takes forever. And I also think a little teeny tiny splash of vanilla in the smallest, tiniest, minute pinch of cinnamon makes this so good that if you don't add it, you'll be really missing out. But if you want to make just a plain whipped coffee, go there, but a little essence of vanilla and the tiniest pinch of cinnamon will give you that, Mexican chocolate, it's just divine. So I do it and you should do it too. So I'm gonna whip this up until it's like really thick and frothy, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's there. And after a few minutes, that is what you're looking for. Look at the consistency of this, huh? That is what you're looking for, nice and thick, like a gorgeous cloud of goodness. Now you can do this with hot milk. You can do this with iced milk if you like iced coffee. I'm a hot coffee drinker. Joe, my husband, is an iced coffee drinker, so he will be having his with milk, ice and milk. Mommy, a brain. And you can also use any milk that you want: whole milk, skim milk, almond, soy, oat, cashew, rice. What other milk is there? I don't know. Any milk you want, you do you. Mine's hot because, like I said, that's what I like. And you literally just take this goodness and you add it. Now, I know I hear a lot of people say that if you use it with hot milk, then you lose the consistency. You don't. And I like a little cocoa powder because, listen, I'm here for that mocha vibe. Ooh. I asked Joe to bring me one of my straws. These are reusable straws, and he's like, I brought you all of them because I wasn't sure which one you would want, and I know that if I brought you one, you would want the other. But I just want you to come close so that you can see sort of how the texture just sort of like, it's just kind of fabulous. And if you are, listen, if you're a coffee drinker, you can open up your own coffee shop now. Thank you. Job here is done. That is absolutely delicious. And if you don't want it as sweet, don't add as much sugar. If you want it sweeter, add more sugar. The world is your pickle. You do you. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. If you don't like cocoa powder on top, you want sweet cocoa powder, add sweet cocoa powder. I'm a bitter cocoa type of person, so listen, I'm here to please. You want to see whipped coffee? I give you whipped coffee. And when you start mixing it in, I'm weird. But look at what happened. Like the texture, the milk is now this like thick, frothy, phenomenal. I'm into it. Go to laurainthekitchen.com. It will be there written for you. You just became an awesome barista. I'm the barista of the Vitale household. I appreciate tips. I'll see you next time. Bye.